This is the summary created from video. Cloud computing security issues in collaborative SaaS cloud. Today, we're discussing security aspects of collaborative SaaS clouds and exploring scenarios where security plays a critical role in cloud collaboration. Cloud computing poses unique security challenges, such as co-tenancy risks, lack of control over outsourced data and applications, and the need for establishing trust relationships between customers and providers. Different cloud service models involve varying levels of security responsibilities for providers and tenants, with SaaS allowing shared resources access via APIs, enabling collaboration among different instances and users. In SaaS cloud collaboration and data sharing, concerns arise regarding data integrity, vendor selection, and the impact of tightly or loosely coupled systems on collaboration security. The lack of control and security visibility for consumers in the SaaS delivery model, the need for consistent service guarantees, and secure collaboration among loosely coupled parties motivate research in collaborative SaaS clouds. Selecting trustworthy and competent SaaS providers for secure collaboration environments is crucial. An anonymous user access with low risk and security uncertainty is desired, prompting the use of a fuzzy inference system for request, reputation, object security level, and permission setup. The proposed SELCSP framework aims to dynamically detect and remove excess permissions in loosely coupled systems, addressing challenges like cyclic access conflicts, trust modeling, and provider competence evaluation. Risk-based access control provides access despite lacking permissions at some risk level, offering flexibility over binary multi-level security while balancing access risk and security uncertainty. The interdomain role mapping IDRM problem focuses on finding the minimal role set for requested permissions, with challenges like multiple minimal role sets and no exact role set for all permissions. Dynamic detection and removal of cyclic access conflicts is essential to prevent unauthorized access and separation of duties violations in collaborative environments achieved through a framework that proposes conflict detection, role sequences, and FUNE-safe role cycles. Secure multi-party collaboration and data sharing, selecting trustworthy SaaS providers, risk-based access control, interdomain role mapping, and dynamic conflict detection and removal are key considerations for enhancing security in collaborative SaaS clouds. Please stay tuned for more summary videos.